Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our 2021 Mastercraft XT22. I'm going to start on the inside of this boat. We have the tan interior up here in the bow, and this is the pickle fork bow, so that you can seat 4 people actually really easy up here in this bow. You actually have the USB phone chargers, and you got the Klish speakers, and then you have 4 cup holders also up here. And spinning around, we do have the walk-through here with the air dam door that you can close, and then the windshield would flip shut. And coming on over here, so this boat is equipped with the 7-inch touchscreen, and then has the analog gauges here. We also have the wireless phone charger. Over here on the passenger side, you got your glove box, phone holder, cup holders, and then the nice SeaDek up there for non-slipping. This seat does flip up for storage here. This whole bench seat here is nice, long storage. You can set skis, lots of storage. It's a pass-through storage all the way through this boat to the bow. One thing that Mastercraft, one of the things they do really nice is the nice contoured, comfortable seating. This here is your reverse flipped couch. And over here, under this seat, you do have your built-in cooler. And then this boat is equipped with the Z4 tower with the wakeboard swivel clamping racks. We have the Klish tower speakers on this boat because it does have the advanced audio, which gives you the 4 cockpit speakers, subwoofer, and then we have the 2 tower speakers up here. We have the transom walk-through here, the nice SeaDekking, so you don't slip down onto the SeaDek fiberglass platform. This boat is equipped with the 6.0 liter, 6.2 0-liter motor with 363 horsepower. The outside of the boat is a slate gray, and then we have the red, it's hard to see there, but we have the red Mastercraft logo on the side. Great boat. It's a 22-foot boat. It actually water skis really well. The wake surf's really great, and it's a great wakeboard boat. And this boat all around is just a really good cruising boat for the lake. Seats 16 people, so plenty of room for you and all your friends and family. So come on out to MarineMax here in Greenville and check out our Mastercraft 2021 XT22. You can look on the website, which is at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can call us at 864-236-9005. Thank you so much.